Wait, can your stomach really dissolve a razor blade? I know, it sounds like a sci-fi myth, but trust me, the truth is way wilder. Inside your stomach is one of the most powerful acids found in the human body. Hydrochloric acid. This stuff is a digestive beast. It's strong enough to break down steak vegetables and yeah, even some metals, so how strong is it really? Hydrochloric acid in your gut sits at about a 1 to 2 on the pH scale, the same level as battery acid. That means in lab experiments, stomach acid is strong enough to slowly corrode razor blades, pennies, or even nails over time. We're talking about a substance that's got some serious metal melting game. But okay, let's talk real life. Before you get any wild ideas, don't go swallowing kitchen knives or razor blades. Seriously, even though your stomach acid is powerful, it doesn't mean it'll instantly vaporize a razor. In studies, razor blades left in acid for 24 hours got thinner, but they didn't just vanish. It's more like erosion, not an instant meltdown. Now here's the real head scratcher. Why aren't you melting from the inside out? Easy, your body has a genius trick up its sleeve. Your stomach lining actually rebuilds itself every few days. It's like having a superhero shield that regenerates before the acid can cause any real damage. So, even though you're carrying around a little pool of battery acid, your body's got your back. Bonus round, what happens if you actually swallow something sharp? In real emergencies like accidentally gulping down pins or glass, doctors sometimes just monitor you instead of rushing to surgery. Why? Because sometimes your stomach can safely erode the object over time. But listen, it's still risky and not something you want to try. So here's the bottom line. Yes, your stomach is crazy powerful, but it's not indestructible. Respect your body, it's doing some heavy-duty work 24/7 just to keep you alive. Your stomach deserves a superhero cape for what it goes through every day. Blown away? Drop us in the comments if you had no idea your stomach was this hardcore. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more brainy blasts from MindPop.